How to fix C drive full for no reason in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you will need to open up the start menu and then search for disk cleanup. Now click on the first result and then select the disk that you want to clean up or the disk that is full. So for example, the C drive, press OK and wait for it to open up this window. And then make sure to check all the boxes next to these files right here to be cleared, and it should tell you the amount of space or disk space you gain after you perform the cleanup. In this case it's about 50 gigs. And once you've checked everything, you can click on OK and then click on delete files, and this should start cleaning up the files. And once it finishes removing the files, you can open up this PC or this computer, and then you should see the available space has increased. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.